All right, and we're back. See, that doesn't take just a second. There's the tree we're gonna be trimming up today. Little old cedar tree. So we'll get right back with you as soon as we get started. We're off again.
Already got that.
Let me go see if that's all he wants done. Be right back. And this is what we look like after we get through with the trees. And hold on, I'll show you what the trees look like after we get through with the trees. Back up here. There's one of them we trimmed. There's the other one we trimmed. And a couple back there we trimmed, can't tell, but we did. Anyway, there's them two. And so we're on our way home, back to the house now.